This is the video of the Leadwell. Comes with a part conveyor. I'll turn that on. It works. You can set that. It's got timers. The chip conveyor, it is right here. And as you can see, it is working. No noises. Turn that on. Machine itself is a little chippy, but all in all really clean. The part catcher, everybody modifies theirs. This has just some rubber on the inside for whatever part they were catching on the last time they ran it. The chuck opens, closes. This one doesn't have jaws in it, but it does open and close. The turret, it does, well, I have to shut the door. The turret, I'm just choosing random tools. Okay, this video is showing the ability of the machine to jog. I'm using the actual jog buttons on the hand wheel. That makes it a little easier to try to move this thing around. I'll do X first. That's 0. Max down is trouble. So, okay, there's X. Okay, I have to 0 return the X before I jog the Y. It makes you do that. So, now I'll do the Y. Okay, Y is there. Go back to jogging it, and I'll move the Y around for you. It's not a compound Y like a lot of machines. It's actually has its own axis raising it up. Where a lot of them, the X-axis changes. This one does not. The X-axis changes for Y. This one is actually its own Y, which is very nice. I'm going to 0 it out. Hit Y. Home. There we go. We're home. Now I'll jog the Z-axis around. And back. Jog Z. Now jog the B axis. Everything runs smooth on this. This would be for your... I went ahead and put the machine in C-axis mode to show that you can jog this around. Now I will zero the C-axis. I will go 0, return, C, axis, home. Now we're home. This video showed you can also jog this axis, the sub spindle too. It's a full axis. Okay, this video, I'm turning M90, turns it into milling mode for the live tooling. I'm doing 2000 RPM clockwise for 5 seconds. M95 stops it. It orients after it stops. This code, M60, turns it back to the main spindle, and I'm running it at 2500 RPM. Okay, this code of M59, that turns on the sub spindle. I'm doing that one first. I'll turn it off.